I'm going to change out a cased 2-ton heat pump fan coil. It's got to go into the ceiling.
Elaine Robert was caught climbing a 57-story building. This is in Sydney. He's using only his bare hands. He didn't even have any safety equipment. It's dangerous for him. It's really dangerous for those folks looking below. He's still...
This is the copper that I just bent. I didn't want to spend a lot of time welding inside the fan coil, so I just want one weld down there because I got 3/4 line. So the weld will be up on the roof. We'll just have 2 welds down below because there's carpeting down below the fan coil. I don't want to make a big project out of it. Okay, this connection here has to be brazed up, so like I said before, I didn't want to pull this 3/4 all the way down there and be reducing it down in the fan coil and do a lot of welding inside the hallway with the carpet. So I just made this one big piece to here, and we just have one joint right here to do. That's it. This is a Rheem RPPL 024 JAZ. Copeland compressor, got discharge muffler, bursting valve, expansion valve, looking good, looking real good. Got the R, that's my B, C, purple strip heat, and yellow is cooling.